amazing deals. Today we have the Ninja AMZ493BRN. Compact kitchen system, 1200 watts, 3 functions for smoothie, dough, frozen drinks with auto IQ. So this is a blender, pitcher, processable, 3 functionality in one altogether. It's highly rated at 3,600 ratings. It's on sale right now for $109.99 for only the next 17 hours. It is currently the best price ever, lowest price for this particular item, and I have the link in the description and in the first comment if you want to buy this, take advantage of this lowest price ever. I did some comparison, so you don't have to do that to confirm that. So it was yesterday at 160, today is at 109. Everybody else is trying to sell it obviously more expensive. These are the duo, or not even, this is not even duo, this is single function, already at 119, 129. Lowest at Sam's Club is a duo, older version. It's already $99 or $100. So this is a great price right now. Take advantage of it. Click the link in the description, buy it, and let me know how it works out. Put your comment in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.